Now that you have your pen and paper out, you have your notes out, you're ready to take some notes. Let me go over exactly what you're going to learn and visualize yourself to wealth. First off, we're going to go over the importance of visualization. You would be surprised, when I first got started in this industry when I was 19 years old, I had long blonde hair down here. I didn't know what I wanted to do with my life. I was, as Jim Rohn often says, I was a wandering generality. I wasn't a loser, at least I don't think I was. I was just a normal guy, went to the local mall here in Las Vegas. It was called the Boulevard Mall. Went there every weekend. I never bought anything. And that's all I basically did. Hung out with my friends and played some Street Fighter and played some video games that were fun to me at that time. And that's all I ever did. I never even knew about visualizing or dreaming or doing things like this until I met my mentor when I was 19 years old. So we're gonna go over exactly what the power and the importance of visualization. Then we're gonna go over how to visualize the life that you want. Because if we don't exactly understand 100% in detail the type of life that we want, how could you really expect for you to want to go for that type of life if you're not even having a goal to go for something, right? A lot of people, they go through life just day by day wondering, okay, what am I gonna do tomorrow? What am I gonna do tomorrow? And that tomorrow compounds into, honestly, nothing. We have to know exactly what we want and then go for it. But if we don't have it up here of what we want, it's not gonna happen. So the importance of visualization, how to visualize the life you want. We're also gonna go over understanding your desires and understanding why we want the things that we want and why it's so important to understand what we want. I know that we can look at something, we might be able to look at a beautiful mansion or a beautiful car, or we might be able to look at materialist things, or it would be nice to go to New York, it would be nice to travel, it would be nice to do certain things, but we don't truly want those things because we lose interest in that subject. So we're gonna go over our goals and understanding your desires and why it's so important that we understand exactly what we want to get out of life and the things that gets us excited. We're also gonna talk about how to absolutely destroy doubt. One of the biggest reasons why people aren't successful is just because of the consistent doubt that they have in themselves. They don't believe in themselves. They don't believe that they can do it. And I was that guy. I was that guy that always wondered, why is this taking so long? And I realized that, one, it is frustrating that things take a lot of time, specifically when it comes to the subject of success. Success just takes time. Do I wish that it just happened? Oh yeah, of course I do. And I think that would be everybody. But that really is the difference between winners and losers. That really is the difference between someone who is successful and someone who's not successful. Because if everyone was successful just because they said, I want to be successful at this, then obviously when someone's successful at something, it wouldn't mean anything. So we're gonna talk about how to absolutely destroy doubt. Because if you're anything like I was prior to 19 years old, I constantly doubted myself and basically everything I ever wanted to do. I was like, oh, I don't know if I can do it. Oh, these type of people deserve that success. I'm not the type of person that deserves this type of success. So we're gonna absolutely destroy doubt. We're also gonna go over how to achieve what you want. We all have these ideas of it would be nice to do this, it'd be nice to that, but we're gonna talk about how to actually achieve what you want. We're gonna then go over how to live the best life ever. How do you have the best life ever? How do you have it so people are envious of you? How do you have people beyond the people being envious of you? How do you just be able to sleep next to yourself in your mind saying, I love my life, I love what I do? We're gonna go into detail about that. And last but not least, we're gonna go over the secret to winning. How do you win? And what is the secret to winning? Didn't you notice that there's certain people, every time you see them, it appears all they're doing is winning, 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 winning. How do you actually do that? And then you look at other people who are always losing, 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 losing. So what is the secret to winning? How do you make it so you're always winning above and beyond everyone else? And it's not because we want to be better than other people, it's because we ourselves want to win. So that's exactly what you're gonna learn as we go over visualize yourself to wealth, the importance of visualization, how to visualize the life you want, understanding your desires, how to destroy doubt, how to achieve what you want, how to live the best life ever, and the secret to winning.